Andy. I'm one of the sales engineers here at Ensign Equipment. Today I want to talk to you about our air turbine vibrator assembly for our Gaylord tilters. This product is often added to one of our Gaylord tilters that you see behind me when the customer has a non-free-flowing material or a material that bridges or rat holes when used with a vacuum wand. We'll take a look at it here in a minute. I'll tilt the tilter up here. If tilter has a Gaylord in it, we have product in it, we're vacuuming out of it, and the operator comes over to the tilter and notices that there's a lot of bridging and rat holing going on and the product is not getting to the vacuum wand, he can simply use the hand valve to manually actuate the vibrator. And he can turn it off once it starts flowing again. Very simple to use. The vibrator is actually located in the very back of the unit toward the bottom, so it has full vibration on the bucket. It helps that hard to move material get to where you need it to go. So hopefully this video is helpful. Hopefully if you have a product that's similar to something that doesn't flow very well, hopefully you got some ideas about how you can maybe use something like this to help in your process. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please, if this was valuable to you, like, subscribe, share, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.